The multimedia system in your Lexus can be controlled through voice commands. For best results, it is recommended to train the voice recognition system. In this video, you will hear me train the system in a 2019 Lexus ES350. It's a very simple process of just reading the phrases displayed on the screen of the vehicle. Using the remote touchpad, select Menu, and then find Setup. Scrolling over to the left-hand side, find and select Voice. Then find Train Voice Recognition. To begin, press Start and wait for the beep.
Please say the following. Redial the last number again.
Redial the last number again.
Say, browse through my music.
Browse through my music.
Say, make a new phone call.
Make a new phone call.
Say, choose a different music source.
Choose a different music source.
Say, show my call history.
Show my call history.
Thank you. Voice recognition training is now complete.
These phrases are strictly for training purposes to help the system understand you better. You can always follow the example commands on the screen once you press the talk switch of your vehicle. To learn some more, watch our voice command quick tips. Thank you for watching. If you have more questions or would like to learn more about Lexus, please come visit us. Give us a call at 954-443-2020 or just visit our website at www.lexuspembroke.pines.com.